How to buy Dash coin on Etoro app in easy fast method. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Dash coin on Etoro fast and easy. First thing we do, we go to Etoro. Now this is the home page as you can see. Then you go to the watch list here down below and then search for Dash. Let's search for it and here is it. Now click on it and click on trade here. After that, choose the amount of money that you want to invest and click open trade. After that, choose your payment method. You have many options here. You have credit card or bank transfer or even PayPal or Skrill or Neteller. After that, you click deposit and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.